Hi guys, my name is Ray Johnson, and in this tutorial, I'll be letting you know what you need to know before you request your YouTube AdSense pin, or if you're having problems getting your YouTube AdSense pin. So as you can see guys, I have two Google AdSense pins, and that is because I actually sent out 3 requests to actually get these two because I was having difficulty actually getting my pins because I had done something wrong with my address. I'm not sure what it was, but what I did was I actually changed the address. And the second and the third time that I actually requested the PIN, I ensured that I use 3 different addresses because that's an option that you can do to actually ensure that you at least get one of your pins. Because guys, you actually have 6 chances to actually request a PIN because you have actually 4 months from when your first PIN was automatically sent out. And that is to say that your PIN will be sent out automatically by Google AdSense after your AdSense account has earned $10. So yes, guys, you have to actually earn $10 before your first PIN is sent out automatically. And after that, you can request 5 more pins, but that is dependent on how you actually request them because you may not be able to request 5 because you have to think about the 3 weeks. It says Google AdSense says you can actually send a request for another pin after 3 weeks of sending out the first request. So if 6 weeks pass, that means you won't be able to send out 5, probably 4, but not 5. So yes, guys, one of the best options when you're not getting your PIN is to actually change the address that you're actually letting the PIN go to, because sometimes there's an issue with the post office that is actually going to, and your mail is being lost. So that's one option that you have, guys. Next option is to actually talk to the persons at the post office, because sometimes they actually put these mail in the business section, and because of that you're not able to get it because you're not a company, and so it'll be difficult for them to actually notice what is actually going on. So yes, guys, if you're having difficulty getting your PIN, you should definitely watch this video, because I'll also be showing you another option that you can do when you just don't get your PIN at all. And that is basically verifying your account without a PIN. And for that, guys, I'm going to have to be doing that on my computer. But as long as you send out at least 3 requests to get a PIN and you don't get one, there's an option for you to actually manually verify your account. So yes, guys, now I'll be going on my computer to show you how to actually resend a request for a PIN, and also how the money.
Hi guys, welcome back. Now I'm inside my computer and I'm logged into my AdSense account. So what you guys gotta do is now log into your AdSense account, and I'll be showing you how you can actually request another mail for your PIN, and also how you can actually change your address. And as you can see, guys, it says you have less than 1 month to verify your address. Otherwise, you will stop displaying ads. So the ads will stop being displayed on your videos. That is just saying that your videos will not be monetized on YouTube after 4 months. Because actually, today, which is the 13th, well, it's not the 14th. So today is actually the last day that I have to actually put my PIN to keep the ads on my videos, which I'll be doing soon. And after 6 months, guys, if you're unable to actually get your account verified, then your AdSense account will be disabled. So 4 months and your ads on YouTube will stop, and 6 months your AdSense account will be disabled. So guys, if you're having issues and you're not getting your PIN, you must follow these steps. So the first step that we're going to be looking at is actually to request another pin at a different address, because we are trying to give as much options to ourselves so we can actually receive that pin. So what you would do, guys, at this section where it says verify your billing address, you click on verify, and so what will happen is that you'll see a section for you to resend the pin. Let me scroll down. Okay, so as it says, enter the pin we mailed to your billing address, and it's a 6-digit verification pin. But if you don't have your pin, what you need to do, guys, is look over this section where your address is. You might want to be looking at it carefully to ensure that it is indeed correct. If it is not correct, what you got to do is change the address. But even if it is correct, you want to give yourself some more option by actually sending the pin to a slightly different address. So it increased the chances of you getting your pin within the time that you have, which is the 4 months. Okay, guys? So I'm also going to be showing you where you can actually go to change your address. Okay, guys? So from here, you click on where it says payment information in order to go over to change your address. Okay, and you scroll down, and under where it says settings, you would click on where it says manage settings. Okay, so now it shows your payments profile, it shows your region, account type, and it shows name and address, which you can actually click on to modify. So as you can see, you can change the name, and you can change your address that you want the pin to be mailed to. So yes, guys, this is how you'd actually do the changes, and you then save those changes, and then you can request a new pin. So yes, guys, this is what you want to be doing if you want to be successful in actually receiving that pin. So I'm gonna go back around to the section where you can actually send that new request for a pin. So you'd click on where it says resend pin to actually get a pin sent out. Okay, but let's say you are not getting the pin, what would you do? Okay, guys, so I'm now back at home. So let's now take a look at how you would actually do the manual verification of your account if it is that you're not getting any of your pins. And to be able to do this, some accounts you have to request a pin 3 times, some it's 4 times at least that you have to request a pin and didn't get it. So what you would do is click on these 3 vertical dots, and then you'd click on where it says help. Okay, and you're redirected to this page. You're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page. Okay, and you're going to then click on where it says pin troubleshooter. Okay, and so there is now a new page that populated, and it says is your address and gives your address, the email address you use for AdSense. If yes, you'd click on yes. Then you'd click on scroll down and you'd click on continue. Okay, And the next section, it says pin arrival check. Have you received your physical pin mailer? Okay, so in this section, it says pin arrival check. Have you received your physical pin mailer? You would click on where it says no, I have not received my pin. And you'd click on where it says continue. Okay, so this came up for me, which means that my account is not yet ready for the manual verification. Now, if you have sent out a request for a pin 3 to 4 times, what you should see now is contact form, and that contact form link will then request your personal details like your ID and your name and all the details. You'd fill out the form and upload your government issued ID, and within 24 hours AdSense would actually manually verify your account and send you an email at your email address for your AdSense account, letting you know that your account has been verified. So yes guys, that is the way you'd actually do manual verification, and guys, it will work. So just ensure that you send out 3 to 4 at best. Send out 4 requests and you will be getting the option to do the full manual verification. So yes guys, thank you for watching my channel, and if you like the content that you just saw and you want to see more content